Let's try this again, shall we? Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm filming or refilming a very nice makeup look inspired by the Golden Globes, and hopefully you're not too disappointed when I say no, it's not Lady Gaga's makeup tutorial. I drew inspiration from Molly Sims's dress at the Golden Globes 2019. I went on the Vogue magazine website because I personally didn't watch Golden Globes. However, I did want to see all the makeup looks and all the dresses people wore, and you can see Molly's dress is just, it was stunning. I saw it and I was like, I need to create something with those beautiful purpley, pinky yellows, greens, and such a beautiful colour story, and that's what I'm going to be doing today. If you would like to know how to create a Molly Sims dress inspired from the Golden Globes 2019 makeup look, just keep on watching. Can you see all those beautiful colourful shades? Well, what other palette am I going to use to create this look if it's not going to be Carnival palette? I'm going to be using this and two shades from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. This one is Dark Magic. I'm going to be using Busted and Potion. To start my eye, I'm going to mix Keen and Shuffle. I'm taking it on a flat brush and I'm going to put it on the inner third of my eye. I'm now going to take a small fluffy brush and I'm going to blend this so it doesn't have a seam. The next colour that I'm going to take on the Essential Crease brush is Wifey, and I'm putting that in the middle up to the crease again. Actually, I'm considering using my finger. No, that'll be alright. I'm just making sure that this pink is overlapping this yellow just ever so slightly, and using that blending brush I'm making sure the two are blended. I'm also going to take that Essential Crease brush and take a darker colour called Guilty, and I'm putting that on top of the previous shade. I'm also going to take Keen, the yellow shade, on my blending brush to help this blend. I'm now going to move on to the Dark Magic palette, and I'm taking Potion and I'm putting that on my outer third, but I'm focusing my brush in my crease. It's just here. I'm now taking 203 from Bold Metals. This is clean, and I'm going to start to blend that green. This is very tough. I'm going to dip my 203 in the Stacey Marie palette, the Carnival palette, and I'm taking Shuffle, the mustardy shade. This should help to blend this. It's not moving at all. I'm going to try and blend it with the brush that I applied it with. It kind of worked. I can't be bothered with that shade anymore, so I'm going to move on. I'm going to take Busted from the Dark Magic palette, and I'm putting this on the bottom outer third. I'm slightly overlaying the blue over this pink, and I'm going to try and mix Potion and Busted together as well. Got the brush where I had Potion. I'm trying to mix these two. I'm going to take more of Potion because I feel like I'm rubbing it off. I did my makeup slightly differently last time, and I can definitely see the impact it has made going to make it work. I need more purples and pinks, so I'm actually going to take Guilty again just to overlay it a bit more over that blue. Obviously those two will make like a dark purple, making sure it's all blended in. My 203 and a clean fluffy brush. I'm going to take my super fluffy brush and a little bit of Naked, like honestly, and I'm going to take it on the very edge just to add more grey. Let's take a little bit of Wasted, the actual almost neon purple, in there as well. I like it. To highlight my inner corner and brow bone, I'm of course going to take Moony. I'm going to do the other eye off of camera and I will be right back. For my foundation today, I'm going to use the Conceal and Define foundation from Revolution. I look like an actual ghost. For my under eye concealer, I'm going to use Age Rewind. Didn't know I was going to highlight my face, but now I am. Uh-oh. Went onto my eyeshadow a little bit there. Okay, because I'm pale as a ghost, I'm going to mix a little bit of F10 and F14 in the Fast Base foundation from Revolution, just to kind of warm up my face. Of course I need to powder my under eye because I'm already creasing. I'm also going to set my chin in the middle of my forehead. And for my contour and further bronzer, I'm going to use Shade and Light from Kat Von D. I don't use this often, but it's a waste if I don't use it, and it's just there, so I'm using the first shade. Little bit of colour everywhere. For my highlighter today, I'm going to be using Anastasia Amrezy. Let me fix this situation. Wasn't being very careful when applying my concealer. For my under eye, I really want to take Wasted all over, starting from my outer corner all the way to the inner corner. Now I'm going to take a fluffy brush and blend this in. 305 Brush Crush and a little bit of Funky, the neon pink on top. Just a clean blending brush to blend this in. The small blending brush and shuffle to put on the inner portion of this lower lash line, and the brush with Busted on the outer third. I'm also going to take a smidge of Potion just to blend in here as well, and I want to give it a final blend just so there's no harsh lines. And because I don't have enough of that white in there, I'm actually going to foil Moony. Let's see if that will help. It's a little bit harsh, I need to blend this in a little bit as well, but that's better. For my mascara, I'm using Bad Girl Bang. I didn't plan for the eyes to be this colourful, you know, but I kind of like it. For my lashes, I'm using Sminko. These are Marta. Wait, are they too harsh? No, I think they're too big. Nope, I'm gonna use Anastasia instead. As I'm waiting for my lash glue to dry a little bit, I'm going to put something on my lips. And that something ideally would be Scorpio from Jeffree Star. However, I don't have that one. It's like a greyish purple. I have a greyish and a purple. So let's mix the two and make what kind of resembles Scorpio. I'm taking 2 Wandsworth of Posh Spice and 1 Wandsworth of I'm Royalty. And I'm going to mix. Should look alright. Y'all. That was also a perfect amount of lipstick for my lips. I think I might have to get Scorpio. Let's put these bad boys on. Very natural. So what I'm going to do is stick on what I have left. Makes the outer corner just a bit more full. I cannot believe how much I filmed today. Oh, my back hurts. My ass hurts from sitting down for so long. This came out a lot more rainbowy than I expected. However, I hope you like it. I mean, you can see the green, you can see the slight bluish hue, purple, pink, a bit of yellow. Purple lips is a hit for me. I need to get Scorpio. I like it. I think it looks good, and I hope you do too. If you do, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.